Hello viewers, and in this class we're going to look at this question on the board. It's a word problem leading to quadratic equation. Okay, a two-digit number is such that the tens digit is greater than the unit digit by 4. The two-digit number is less than 4 times the product of its digit by 11. Find the number. Okay, now what we need to do here is first of all to choose what should be what alphabet do we use to represent the 10th digit as well as the unit digit. Okay, we can say let the unit digit be B and the tens digits be A. So the two-digit number will be of this form. Will be 10 A plus B. This is the two-digit number. Two-digit number. Okay. Now, first sentence. Let's interpret the first sentence. So we're trying to transform mathematical sentence or mathematical sentence into algebraic equation. Okay. So the tens digit is greater than the unit digit by 4. That's the first sentence here. That means we're saying that A is equal to 4 plus B. Or we're saying A is equal to B plus 4. Whichever way you state it. You say we know that the tens digit is this. You say the tens digit is greater than the unit digit by 4. A is equal to B plus 4. Okay, that is the first sentence. And let's look at the second sentence. Second sentence. Let's interpret it. Say the two-digit number. The two-digit number is less than 4 times the product of it by 11. So this is the two-digit number here. Okay, the two-digit number, which is 10A plus B, is less than 4 times, which is 4 bracket the product of the number, the product of the number. This is AB. The number is AB. AB minus 11. This is, name the first sentence as equation 1 and the second sentence as equation 2. Okay, this is the first thing you have to do. You have to interpret the questions from sentence into algebraic equation. So we have done that, and what we need to do here is that from equation 1 we know that A is equal to B plus 4. So wherever we see A in equation 2, we substitute B plus 4. Okay, so here this is 10 open bracket B plus 4 close bracket plus B here. On the right hand side we have a 4B. In place of A we open bracket, we're putting B plus 4 close bracket minus 11. Okay, now we're going to open the bracket here. So 10 times B, that will give us 10B. 10 times 4, that will give us 40 plus B. We're done with the left hand side. Let's move to the right hand side. 4B times B, that will give us 4B squared. 4B times 4, that will give us 16B minus 11. So the next step is we're going to collect, group the terms. We'll collect like terms. We'll group the term first. 10b plus b, that will give us 11b plus 40 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have 4b squared plus 16b minus 11. Okay, here we're going to collect like this. We'll move all the terms on the right hand side, on the left hand side to the right hand side. Okay, now we have plus 11b moving to this side become minus. So here it's going to give us 0. Okay, it's going to be 4b squared. We have plus 16b, 11b might become minus 11b. Okay, here we have minus 11 here, and we're having plus 40. As it crosses to this side, become minus, so minus 40. Okay, everything here becomes 4b squared. 16 minus 11, that will give us a 5b. Here minus this will give us minus 51. Everything becomes 0. Okay, this is now a typical quadratic equation. We have to find the value of b, So we can do that by quickly either using the push and low approach, or we use the general formula. Okay, now let's use push and low. The push and low say that if we have this, the root of the equation is z, the product, okay, this is the solution to this equation. So from the push and low, so we're going to find minus b over 2a, then we're going to find z. So this is one set of, then the other one is minus b all over 2a. So, and first of all, in this equation, our a is 4, b is 5, and our c is equal to minus 51. So let's find this minus b over 2a, minus b, that is minus 5, 2 times a, 2 times 4. So that will give us minus 5 over 8. That's minus 5 over 8. Now let's find our z. Our z is b squared, square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, and our b squared, from there b squared, that is 25 minus 4 times a is 4 times minus 51 all over 2a. That will give us 8. 2a will give us 8. That will give us 8. So from here, we have a minus times minus become plus. So our z will become 25 plus 16 times 51. 6, 1, 0, 5, 8. That will give us 8, 1, 6 all over 8. 8, 1, 6 plus 25. This is 1. This is 4. That is 841. 841. Let's find the square root of 841. The square root of 841. Let's look at the square root of 841. So the square root of 841, that will eventually give us 29. Z is equals to 29 over 8. Okay, so we can find the value of B. So here we ignore the one with negative and we'll take the one with positive. So here our Z is 29. That is the value of B is 29 over 8 plus what is the value of plus minus 5 over 8? So that B 29 minus 8, or 29 minus 5, that will give us 24 over 8, and that will give us 3. Okay, so here we are only dealing with the positive number. Here we ignore this one. Okay, so we know that B is 3. Then let's find the value of A. From our equation 1, we said that A is equal to B plus 4. And since we know that our B is 3, so 3 plus 4, and that will give us 7. Okay, we know the value of A and B, and the question they asked us to do is to find the number. The number will be what? 10 times 7. The number is 6. 10 times 7 plus 3. So the number we're looking for is 73. Okay, the number we're looking for is what? 73. So that is the question. This an approach you can use, to resolve questions like this. Ensure you make statements in terms of algebraic term, and those questions you transform them into the equations. Okay, so please, all you help me subscribe. Once you subscribe, help me share as well. Help me hit the notification button so that when such videos comes, you'll be able to get across to you. Have a nice time. See you in my next virtual class. Thanks once again.